A lot of people look at their home as just a place to live. But really, it's the number one area that people build wealth in the United States is real estate. It's their current homes. And over the last several years, how much wealth have we actually gotten out of our home or that's in our home? We've seen appreciation over 20% in some areas per year. That means you've got a lot of equity in your home. But what to do with that equity? Well, there's different options. You could sell, utilize the equity for the next house. You can consolidate loans. You can pull money out to buy another house as investment properties. There's a wide assortment of what you can do with the current equity in your home. If you don't know what it looks like, we can put you in touch with your realtor and they can do a market analysis to find out how much equity you actually do have. Then we can go ahead and provide you with a great strategy on what your goals are to help you achieve them and continue to build wealth with real estate. Let us know. We'd love to walk you through it. Give myself a call or any Legacy loan officer.